back to part 2 of mine and my husband's creative room makeover. We game in here, we work from home, so we work in here, and we love to work on our creative hobbies in this room. So we spend a lot of time in here, and we wanted to update the area. The area that we are tackling today is this corner. It was very empty, very lonely, but not anymore. So I suggested we try and create this tile table that I've been seeing everywhere. It's so cute. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on Instagram, and I feel like it's a very trendy piece right now, and it has a very 80s aesthetic feel to it. It's so cute, and I thought it would be a really fun piece to recreate for our new space. So if you want to try and learn how to create one for yourself, you go ahead and watch this video. Just FYI, we are not professionals, so we will leave links to how to create this tile table and inspiration down in the description so that maybe you can try and recreate one for yourself. Along the way, obviously, we learn and we will be giving some tips and just having fun. So enjoy! We are in Floor and Decor.
Hello.
We're getting tiles.
Oh,
No, it's not those.
these are not. Oh, it's not
No.
those.
It's time to shop. Our first stop is Floor and Decor. We purchased most of our supply here, and all links will be in the description. Yay! I found them. These are the tiles we need. We got everything we needed, stuff for grout, adhesive, and tiles. We purchased white tiles. So if you can't find the color tile you want, you can always purchase white so that you can paint them. Now it's time to get to work. First step is sanding the tiles. It's best to scuff them up real good so that the paint can adhere to the tiles properly. Once we were done, we wiped them down with a damp cloth, and now we prime with a little rolling brush. Alright, time for the fun part. And we're using the Benjamin Moore Advanced Interior Exterior Paint. And the reason why we went with this one is because it could be used on tile, and they had a whole bunch of colors to choose from versus another brand we were gonna go with. It could be used on tile, but it didn't have a lot of colors. So I'm actually using it in the color Lily Lavender. It's really pretty. I'll show you guys a close-up. This was the original color I was gonna go with, and then last minute I decided to go a little bit more, I guess, brighter. My husband had a lot of extra pieces of wood to use, and we went ahead and cut the pieces. All of the dimensions and pieces needed will be listed on the screen. Now, stay with me, my friends. It might sound a little complicated. So you're going to start with two 38.5 pine boards and two 11/7/8 pine boards. We wood glued the ends of the pine boards and attached the smaller pieces together. You should have a frame that looks like a rectangle. We also secured the ends with a nail gun. If you don't have that, you can also use a staple gun or a hammer and brads. You can see the glue on the ends.
It's funny.
So that is a mistake.
That is a big mistake.
Don't put glue
on the wrong end. It's okay.
on the
it's
wrong
gonna get covered
end. Repeat the same process to the last 4 pine boards of the same size. I just shot it and
I forgot to record. I was super panicked.
It's okay. Okay, so I have to line it up with this.
Yeah.
Make sure it's straight. And then shoot.
Yep. The air comes out.
The air scared me. Now we're working on attaching these frames together. We're using 2 of the 8/7/8 pine boards for the top and 2 more for the bottom. We glue the ends and then secure them with a nail gun. Last step to the frame, we added 1 8/7/8 pine board to the center top of the frame, wood glued them, and then secured it with a nail gun. Now we are going to cover this box with 4 panels. They are 40 by 12 pine boards, and you should have 4 of them. We went ahead and nail gunned these panels to the outside of the frame. They can also be done with a hammer and brads or staples, and if not, wood glue. Now we add the top of the box. We used 1 11/7/8 by 11/7/8 piece of pine wood square. Attach it to the top, and you are done. Making sure everything's good. Is it good, Bean? Can we start building? Okay. We're procrastinating.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
We've never done tiles, so we're really scared to mess this up.
Okay, let's see. Want to start on the top?
We'll start on the top.
Here we go, dude.
Here we go. Wish us luck. It's tile time! For the tile adhesive, we used a 9-inch steel trowel with notches. The tile adhesive is very beginner friendly and it takes 24 hours to dry, so if you make a mistake, you can always go back and fix it. Just a little tip, less is definitely more when it comes to grout, so just something to be aware of. We're coming across this issue where the tile adhesive, we put too much and it's coming through the tiles. So I got a damp paper towel, and this is really helping, and I fit it right through. And this is really helping to take out any extra grout, or not grout, adhesive, that is coming through the tiles. So, just thought I'd give this little tip in case some of you need it. So, like that.
Mm-hmm. We got way too much adhesive and way too much grout and way too...
Well, more to make more things.
Yeah.
More tile tables. Should make some for the living room.
You look so beautiful in this light. Wow. I mean, you look beautiful all the time, but specifically. I guess. Especially, I guess.
Now we wait. It needs to set for 24 hours. And once that's done, we can put on the grout. It's grout day! Finally! So here is a moment I had been so excited about. We got this crystal glass grout and it's colored with glitter. I will say though, it was a mistake because even though it was really pretty, it's not beginner friendly and hardens within 1 hour or less. So we had to work super fast and any mistakes we made were visible and not fixable. Before we tower. I wanted to add something to this corner because this is where it's gonna go, but this corner over here with the windows, I feel like it's looking a little sad. So I've been wanting to add some privacy film to our windows just because these windows are really big and we have neighbors in the back that I feel like can see inside because it's a 2-story house. And I just discovered this amazing privacy film off of TikTok. Got a whole roll of it, so pretty. And it's not just any privacy film, it's like rainbow magic privacy film. How many times am I gonna say privacy film? I feel like I've said that so many times. It brings in like rainbow light, but it also protects your privacy, which is perfect for what I need it for. So I thought it would look beautiful once it's all put in, and then we have the tile tower. I feel like with all the light, it'll look really, really pretty. So to put on the film, I will need some soapy water to spray it, scissors to cut the film, measuring tape to measure the window, and so I know how much film to cut. Okay, I'm also trying to figure out how I can keep the film still as I work on it. So I'm thinking maybe some masking tape to tape down the corners. I think that might help. We shall see. Last but not least, a squeegee. Are done. It's time to bring in the table. Beep, beep. Ow. Oh no!
Ow.
Oh no!
It's okay.
You okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you all for watching part 2 of our creative room makeover. I've been having so much fun with this series and I had so much fun making this with my husband. I love the way it came out. I mean, I feel like it could have came out a lot worse considering the fact that we've never worked with tile or grout before, but it came out so cute. Let me know down in the comment section below if you would make one for your space. I think you should because they are so cute and they look so fun. I love them. Alrighty guys, thank you all for watching. All my hearts and stars. I will see you in my next video. Bye!